There has been just the early goal here, and it's 1-0. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Griezmann tries to stroke it through. He's got away. He could be in. Chance! That's been levered clear. It's come loose. Longley. Now it's Maradona. It's broken loose. Hits one. Sticks it away. And they're at it again in double quick time. Maradona duly reaps his reward, kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
Final checks on the touchline, a change about to occur. Barcelona grab a couple of goals without reply, it's 2-0.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
That's a throw. Promising move that, good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Piqué gets into the right position to intercept. Gets away from his opponent. Chance! That's one way of trying to make things happen. There's a few who could follow that example.
Well, the further he went, the more attention he attracted. There was just way too much pressure for him to get the shot away.
Looking to force his way through. Has a pop! They've done it! Back within one! They have them in their sights again! Finishing doesn't come simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
This is threatening to become a really good game.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this one. They have the momentum now.
He's left his man. Lewandowski. He's had a look. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So a really good half of football, 3 goals and just 1 separating them.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period. Well, it remains very delicately poised, and based on the promise we've seen through the first 45 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised if this takes another twist or two. It certainly would be in keeping.
Barcelona head into the half-time break with a narrow advantage. It is 2-1. Here we go again. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Zico. He's played him through. Goes for goal! In it goes! The second half sparked straight into life.
Manchester United are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. We have ourselves a real game here.
Yeah, it's a very good contest with two very good sides, and with such great individual talent on show, it could go either way.
Scholes. Now it's Lewandowski. Piqué does well there. Alert. Pull it. And it's Zico. Now it's Dembele. Good challenge. He just stood firm. Hoists it high. That's beautifully weighted. Could be thinking about a shot here. Real chance! Forward it goes. He's tried one. That was venomous. Piqué plays it forward. Dembele. He gets past his man. He's made sure that that won't get through. Giggs. Mbappe. Now it's Maradona. Messi. And here's Dembele. And here's Zico. Maradona. It's a loose ball. Scholes cuts it out. Giggs tries to get it forward quickly. Mbappe has a hit!
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. And here's Lewandowski. Mbappe. Mbappe. Mbappe! And somehow he managed to miss it.
Well, we could be headed for a scenario in which next goal is the winner.
Oh, that is asking for trouble. And here's Lewandowski. Out towards the flank. Oh, well played, he saw that coming. Giggs.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Done very well to intervene. Giggs. Mbappe. Pull it. Hoists it forward. And time is up. So nothing between them after all of that, and you can't really argue with the result. Neither manager too unhappy with the outcome, and the fans really well entertained. It's all square in the end. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Barcelona certainly had some good moments, Peter. There were plenty of encouraging spells that more should have been made of.
Well, that's the lot for now. Thanks to you, Jim, and goodbye.
Normalmente sou pouco love, mas no rompimento tá mangachi. Mas que vai olhar falasse, muito menos que eu gostasse. Mas a perna partiu, se não me acabou por instalar. vacilasse. Não compreendida por amigos que na altura ignoraram bastasse. Agora cortei contato nem telemóvel que me nem faz.